Hello everyone, my name is Samnana Lipa. I study at Cambridge International School. Today I'm going to show you how to solve question 23 of Sesamo P5. So first let's read the problem. They say Alicia spent $4 more than 1/3 of her money in the first hour. In the second hour, she spent $8 more than 1/3 of the remaining money. And in the third hour, she spent $16 more than 1/3 of the remaining money. She still had $32 left. How much money did she have at first? To solve this kind of problem, you need to draw something we call modal. You have to draw 3 modal, representing the first hour, second hour, and third hour. They said that in the first hour, Alicia spent $4 more than 1/3 of her money. So we gotta draw $4 more than 1/3. After drawing the first modal, let's begin our second modal. The reason why I draw the second modal this much is because her remaining money is this much. That's why I gotta make it the same, because this is the money she spent in the first hour. Now we gotta make the second modal 3 units. In the second hour, she spent $8 more than 1/3 of the remaining monies. After drawing our second modal, draw our third modal. Same with the second modal, we gotta make the third modal as the remaining money from the second hour. Now let's divide it into 3 parts. They say in the third hour, she spent $16 more than 1/3 of the remaining money. And she still had $32 left. So this is how much money she still have left. So they're trying to find how much money did she have at first, which is the first hour, the whole thing of the first hour. In order to find how much money she have at first, we gotta find the money she have in the third hour. Now we gotta find 2 units in the third hour, which is equal to 32 plus with 16. Which is equal to $48. Now we have to find 1 unit equal to $48 divided by 2 equal to $24. Now we gotta find the total money she have in the third hour, which is equal to 3 units. And to find 3 units, we gotta take 24 times 3, which is equal to $72. Now we gotta find the second hour. So in order to find the total money she have in the second hour, we gotta find 2 units of the second hour, which is equal to $72 plus with $8 equal to $80. Now let's find 1 unit of the second hour. To find 1 unit of the second hour, we gotta take 80 divided by 2, and we will get $40. Now, to find the total money of the second hour, we gotta take 40 times 3 because there's 3 units. This is the final one, and we gotta find how much money she have in total in the first hour. Now we gotta find 2 units of the first hour, which is equal to $120 plus 4. And it will result us $124. Now we gotta find 1 unit of the first hour, which is equal to $124 divided by 2, and we will get $62. This will be our last step, is to find the total money she have in the first hour, which will also be the answer to how much money did she have at first, and that is to find 3 units of the first hour, and it is equal to $62 times 3, and we will get $186. We have found the answer, and the total money she have at first is $186. So the total money she had at first is $186. Thank you everyone for watching me solving this problem. Goodbye.